Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to be showing you how to tie the improved clinch knot, which is one of the easiest knots out there. It only requires you a line and a swivel to practice this knot, and this is the best knot for two-way swivels, hooks and stuff. So let's do this thing, guys. So first we will start off by taking our line and putting into the hole of the swivel, just like that. Okay, you can see it has gone inside, and make a V shape now and put your finger in between. This is the important part. The line is like this when you put it in, and then you need to put your finger in between this, and then start wrapping this around the other line on the line to around 6 times. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so as you can see, it is wrapped around, and this is the loop that we need. Then we will put this line into this loop. Okay, then we will put this into the new loop that we formed just now, this one, and start to pull. As you can see now, it is perfectly stacked up and it's very strong, and you can't break this knot. So then trim off the excess line. Don't trim it really close, just this much is perfect. So now this is the knot that I wanted to show you guys. So this is the knot which I use to catch my big fish, all my big fish. As you have seen in the previous episodes, I caught that big size flathead. This was the knot I used. This is really good knot for every kind of fishing. This is very good. And you can also tie this onto hooks and other stuff, but like this knot takes some practice to let it stack up so nicely. So if you practice it 1 or 2 times, you will know. So I will show you another time how to tie this. It's another time, the second time. Put this thing through, then make a V, then start wrapping this around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then put this thing to this loop and this one through this loop and tie it. As you can see, it's stacked up very nicely. So that was the tutorial of today. I hope you liked our video. If you like, press the like button, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.